Why some employees don't want to be promoted, and what leaders must understand. May 4 reasons bakit yung mga rank and file employees ayaw nila ng supervisory roles. Number 1, ayaw ng added responsibility. Number 2, ayaw ng pressure at accountability. And number 3, takot mag-manage ng tao. Number 4, mas komportable na sila sa doer role. And here's the truth, promotions isn't just a title. It's a mindset shift. From task-oriented to people management, from execution to decision-making, at hindi lahat handa doon. Of course, as leaders, our role isn't to force promotion because real leadership isn't about position. It's about responsibility. And when someone is truly ready, you won't have to convince them. Sila mismo ang mag-step up para sa career nila.